Okay, the recording is on, and today is the 9th May 2021, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging call. And today's topic is trust. So please, all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that you function from, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all nice shots, boys and beyonds. So trust. Hi, Simona. Good morning. So, what is trust to you? When I came to Access, when I learned about what trust was, I was like, oh, really? So what do you know about trust? Trust is one of the elements of intimacy. There are 5 elements of intimacy: honor, trust, allowance, vulnerability, and gratitude. So we have done allowance and honor. This is the 3rd we are doing, trust. So what comes up when you think of trust? Hello, 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 hello. Where are you guys?
Trusting for your decisions. Like when you take some decisions or anything you decide to do in your life, you honor yourself by doing that. Trust your awareness.
Cool. What else?
Word को अगर break करते हैं तो it comes to remove all the rust in your life and trust yourself.
Thank you. Hi, Sagri. Hi, Manisha.
Good to be here.
Yeah, hello, Kavita.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys? Latecomers. So we are talking about trust today. And my question to you all is, what comes up when you think of trust? When you hear the word trust? And Mamta said, trusting yourself and also removing the rust. That was beautiful, Mamta. So, what comes up when you think of the word trust? Sagri, Kavita, Manisha, Simona. What comes up?
Can I say something?
Yes, go ahead, darling.
When I think about trust, it's come in my mind, trust to other is so easy for me, but how can I trust myself? What is the meaning of trust to yourself?
Okay. And how do you trust people? What do you mean when you trust people? What do you mean trusting people?
With those people who are very close to me, when I deal or when I stay along with them, the time of duration I've spent with them, how they are put the relation with me or how they are help with me. These things are
ट्रस्ट उनको ट्रस्ट किस बात पे करते हो? ट्रस्ट का मतलब क्या है?
the behave they
कि जो आप कहोगे वो कर लेंगे?
Yes, sometimes.
So, according to you, the meaning of trust is that जो मैं मांगूंगी, जो मैं करूंगी, वो मुझे मिल जाएगा. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Anybody else? Hi, Doc. How are you?
Hi, Kaval.
Hey, hi.
Hi, Sagu. Yes, Sagu.
I just wanted to say in the beginning, I would, before coming into Access, I thought trusting people meant that expecting them to do something for me. And of course, they never did. And that was an expectation and a projection. And yes, I was very often disappointed and disillusioned. But one thing was so what Gary said in a class Monday. He said, expect or rather trust people to be who they are. So that was a big epiphany for me. And yes, you can't expect people to be who you want them to be, but certainly they will be who they will be. So we need to trust that, whether it is helpful, whether they care for you, or whether they betray you. So awareness is what is most important. That's what I gained from that, and that has been very helpful in my life.
Thank you, Sagu. Thank you. So, so what we say and what we do, are they the same? Are they the same? What people say and what they do, is it the same?
No, definitely not. Sometimes they have agendas, sometimes they do. I mean, they are transparent. It could be both.
Yeah.
But we need to be aware of what it is that they are doing. I think that's the most. The key is awareness.
Exactly.
And, not get caught up in all of this stuff. Yes.
Anybody else has?
Yes.
We're talking about trust. Yes, Manisha.
Can I say? I trust myself, first of all. And I trust there is a power greater than me who often guides me what to do and what not to do. I trust in that power. That power maybe people like you, some modalities, one book, nature, anything it can be. But there is a power
question,
greater.
Manisha, I'll stop you. Question is not who you trust. Question is, what is the meaning of trust in your life?
Yes, I trust myself.
How do you trust? What do you mean by when you trust yourself?
If I have given one responsibility or task, I'm sure I will do that.
Okay, so you think that trusting somebody or trusting yourself is when something is told, they should do it. They will do it. Is that what you?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you so much. So Simona had a hand up. She wants to say something. Yes, Simona.
Good morning, Kaval.
Good morning, darling.
हाँ जी कवल, मेरे हिसाब से मैं बहुत ज्यादा तो नहीं समझी हूँ, लेकिन जैसे एक वननेस फीलिंग आती है ना, तो आप जैसे एक अननोन चीज पे भी कभी कभी ट्रस्ट करते हो, कभी हमारा खुद पे ट्रस्ट होता है कि हम ये करेंगे, लेकिन फिर हमारा वो ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है. तो इट्स लाइक कि आप कैसे वो चीज को मानते हो, कैसे उस चीज पे बिलीव करते हो. अननोन हो या नोन हो, आपका एक बिलीव होता है कि ऐसा होगा, चाहे वो खुद पे ही क्यों ना हो. मेरा खुद पे ट्रस्ट हो कि मैं ऐसा कर सकती हूँ.
So अगर आप, I'll stop you, sorry, अगर आप ना करना चाहोगे तो भी करोगे, because somebody trusts you.
No, it's not like कि आप somebody trust you. वो तो मेरा खुद पे ट्रस्ट है ना, वही तो मैं बता रही हूँ.
अच्छा, अब आपके ट्रस्ट है. ट्रस्ट क्या है आपके पास कि जो भी मुझे जो कुछ भी कहेगा मैं वैसे करूंगी. Is that a trust?
नहीं, ट्रस्ट मीन्स आपका बिलीव. It's your belief system.
कैसे, समझ नहीं आया. बिलीफ मतलब कि जो भी आप बिलीव करते हो कि ये गॉड है, हमारी मेरी साइड हमेशा मेरा ध्यान रखेगा, तो उस बात पे आप ट्रस्ट करते हो। आपका आप वहां कहाँ हो? आर यू देयर इन द इक्वेशन?
वही तो
अपने
मेरा
अपना एक्सेस में तो हम कहते हैं कि यू आर द वन हु इज क्रिएटिंग योर रियलिटी।
दैट इज माई ट्रस्ट, दैट इज माई ट्रस्ट।
तो वो हमेशा पूरा हो जाता है?
नो, अगेन वो ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो माई ट्रस्ट कि वो टूट गया। तो इट्स लाइक कि आप अननोन पे भी कभी कभी ट्रस्ट करते हो, जो आप देखते नहीं हो, जो आप जानते नहीं हो। जैसे किसी इंसान पे आप ट्रस्ट करते हो, वो टूट जाता है, दैट इज क्या होता है, वो अननोन ट्रस्ट ही होता है ना। मीन्स
वही
आपका
वही आपने सागरी ने जो कहा, आपने सुना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बहुत हद तक।
क्या बोला सागरी ने?
भूल गई
आप
मैं क्या।
प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो किसी से कि वो ऐसे करेगा और वो नहीं करता।
हमेशा दूसरों पे, वो दूसरा भी कौन है? जैसे सपोज आप अपने बच्चे पे ट्रस्ट करते हो, तो वो आपका ट्रस्ट है, वो आपका बच्चे का नहीं है, वो आप, इट्स योर ट्रस्ट।
So what you're saying is that you project and expect from people. That is similar to the what you think trust is, right?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। अब अगेन आपका जो बिलीफ सिस्टम है वो कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है, उसको आप कितना मानते हो, वो भी
आप फिर वही वहीं पे आ रहे हो कि बिलीफ किस में, अपने में कि दूसरे में? क्या आप दूसरे में बिलीव कर सकते हो? What is that? Is that a projection and expectation? What is that? What believing in people? What is that?
बिलीविंग इन, मेरे हिसाब से जो ट्रस्ट होता है ना, वो बिलीविंग इन पीपल नहीं होता, वो ट्रस्ट आपका होता है। मैंने सपोज मेरे घर में कोई काम वाली बाई आती है और मैं उस पर ट्रस्ट करूं कि भाई ये चोरी नहीं करेगी, तो वो मेरा ट्रस्ट है ना।
वही ना, आप प्रोजेक्ट एंड एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो ना उससे कि वो चोरी नहीं करेगी।
जी हाँ जी।
तो आप किसी और के ऊपर आप, हाउ टू पुट इट, you are expecting somebody to behave the way you have decided that the person should behave. Right? आपने
हाँ,
कि वो इस तरीके से उसको बिहेव करना चाहिए। अब मैं उस पे ये ट्रस्ट करती हूँ कि वो जैसे मैं चाहती हूँ वैसे बिहेव करेगा।
ये तो कंपल्शन हो गया, इट्स नॉट लाइक कंपल्शन। अब जैसे मेरी काम वाली बाई आती है, मैं उस पर ट्रस्ट करके उसको रख रही हूँ ना, तभी तो घर के अंदर आने दे रही हूँ, नहीं तो मैं भगा देती ना।
क्यों रख रहे हो उसको? क्यों क्या है आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि उसको आप रखोगे?
घर का काम कौन करेगा? घर का काम कौन करेगा?
तो फिर ये तो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं हुआ ना, ये तो ट्रस्ट नहीं हुआ ना, ये तो आपको कोई, आपके पास चॉइस ही नहीं है। आप सोचते हो कि मेरा घर का काम कौन करेगा, इसलिए आपने रख लिया।
हाँ, तो ट्रस्ट भी मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा ही होता है, तब ट्रस्ट टूटता भी है ना। ऐसा तो हम लोग तोड़ भी देते हैं ना ट्रस्ट को, कि ठीक है ये भरोसे का बंदा नहीं है, तो उसको
क्यों टूटता है? ट्रस्ट क्यों टूटता है? क्योंकि हम दूसरे को एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं कि ये ऐसा बिहेव करेगा। जब वो वैसा बिहेव नहीं करता तो हमारा ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है, राइट?
हाँ।
तो आप basically what I'm trying to tell you is that you, outside of you, are thinking that people should behave like this. When they don't behave like this, you project and expect people should behave like this. When they do not behave like that, then you get shattered, your trust gets shattered.
हाँ जी, बोल सकते हैं आप ऐसा।
So that is what I'm trying to tell you. What Sagri was trying to tell you. This is not trust. This is projection and expectation. Trust is knowing. ये झूठ बोलता है। अब मुझे पता है ये झूठ बोलता है। Now how can I use it to my advantage? अब मैं कभी भी नहीं सोचूंगी कि ये आज सच बोलेगा। चीजें तोड़ता है, इससे टूट जाती हैं चीजें, ध्यान नहीं करता। मैं नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करूंगी कि कल ये नहीं तोड़ेगा या तोड़ेगी, मुझे पता है कि ये मुझे दिस आई विल ट्रस्ट दैट दिस पर्सन कैन नॉट हैंडल माई cut glass. I will not give that cut glass next to that person because I know that that person is not going to take care of it. That knowing, that trust is that knowing that how a person will behave. Trust means knowing the person is going to do what they are going to do. As long as they are going to do, they can change when they want to change, not because you are expecting and you are projecting at them. It's looking at who a person is, not who you wish, hope, pray, pretend they are going to be. That is all projection and expectation. Projection and expectation never work. बच्चे इस वक्त खेलेंगे, बच्चे इस वक्त,
ये तो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो गया।
दूसरा झूठ बोल रहा है तुम्हारे सामने, एक बार बोला उसने, 2 बार बोला, आपको पता लग गया ये झूठ बोलता है। क्या आप अपने आप को प्रिटेंड करेंगे, होप करेंगे, विश करेंगे, प्रे करेंगे कि वो आगे से झूठ नहीं बोले? क्या नहीं,
वो ट्रस्ट वो खत्म हो गया, वही
खत्म। और आपने तोड़ा, आपने करा, आपने तोड़ा, उसमें यू आर गिविंग सिग्निफिकेंट टू दैट, इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट। गैरी सेज मुझे एक बार पता लग जाता है कि ये बंदा झूठ बोलता है, या ये बंदा ये काम नहीं कर सकता, तो मैं उसको पूछता हूँ और कौन सा काम करना आपको अच्छा लगेगा, व्हाट विल यू एंजॉय डूइंग, व्हाट्स फन फॉर यू, मैं उसको वो काम दे देता हूँ। हम क्या करते हैं इस रियलिटी में, बार बार वही काम करते हैं और एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि कल वो ठीक से करेगा, वो नहीं कर पाता। He or she is the way they are. So trust is not what you expect them to be. Trust is who they are, and believing and knowing that they are that, and they will not do it. Trust is not believing everything is going to turn out all right the way you want it, just because you want it. So all misapplied and misidentified what trust is, which it isn't, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all night, short, boys and beyond. And everywhere you misapplied and misidentified what it isn't, and it is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all night, short, boys and beyond. It's not blind faith. कि कल मेरा शराबी नहीं पिएगा क्योंकि मैं उसको इतना प्यार करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं इसको समझा दिया है, क्योंकि अब उसकी तबीयत खराब रहती है और वो डॉक्टर के पास गया था, अब इतने दिन हॉस्पिटल में रह के आया है। Trust is knowing he will keep doing the same thing till he decides not to do it.
नहीं तो ये तो मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो गया ना कि ये ऐसा ही रहेगा, कभी चेंज नहीं होगा।
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कैसे? एक बंदा चेंज, अब ये गिलास है उसको बोलो कि ये स्टील का हो जाए, कांच का गिलास स्टील का हो जाए, हो जाएगा क्या? ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि गिलास कांच का है। इज दिस अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? ये आदमी है, ये औरत नहीं है, इज इट अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? दैट्स हाउ इट इज। द स्विच, दैट्स हाउ इट ट्रूली इज। मैं शादी कर लूंगी तो शराब छोड़ देगा, मैं प्यार दे दूंगी तो शराब छोड़ देगा, थोड़ी भी नहीं शुरू कर देगा, बिकॉज ही लव्स मी। He will drink until he chooses to quit, period. It's not a belief system. ये पौधा है, ये ट्री क्यों नहीं बन रहा? क्या ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है? It is. It's not a tree. It's a climber. It's a bush. ये मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि ये बुश क्यों है, ये ट्री क्यों नहीं बन रहा. नो, सीइंग थिंग्स एज दे आर. दिस इज हाउ द अदर पर्सन इज. Okay, trust that this person will not change till he or she decides to take. You can somebody change you? Can somebody change you, Simona?
Yes, बोलूं तो.
Can somebody change you? You have to be honest. I said truth. You can't lie to me. Only जब आप चुनोगे इसको बदलने के लिए, आप बदलोगे. कोई आपको 10 बार एक नैग करता रहे, क्या वो चीज आप बदल दोगे?
कमल, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, ये चाइल्डहुड से आया है, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने डाला है, तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो हमें चेंज ही तो करते हैं.
तो आप चुनते हो चेंज करने के लिए ना, because you are aware now. Can I have a look at your face, please? Please, people who ask questions have to show their face, otherwise don't ask questions.
देखो कमल,
पहले अपनी शक्ल दिखाओ, फिर पूछिए, बात करेंगे आपसे. हाँ, अब बोलो. आप जब चेंज करते हो कुछ, आपके पेरेंट्स से आप बोलते हो ले लिया, which is a lie, which is an issue you got from your parents. Okay, now you have to choose to change it. Unless you choose to change it, क्या वो अपने आप बदल जाएगा? अपने आप बैठे हुए हो, आप बदल लोगे अपने आप को without even acknowledging it, without even choosing to change.
कमल, बच्चों में अकल नहीं होती, बच्चे जैसे पेरेंट्स
ने कहा नहीं अकल होती.
कहाँ
they are in small bodies but they are big souls. किसने कहा नहीं अकल होती? 84 लाख जून जी के आए हुए हैं. Did you ask a question? Do they know this, or you just decide they don't? Am I making any sense, darling? Or are you willing to get it? Or are you willing to just be in... Can I change you now? मैं इतनी देर से बैठी हुई हूँ, बोलती जा रही हूँ, आप अपनी कहानी पढ़ रहे हो. Can I change you? No, you will only change when you want to change. I can't. I can just tell you कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है समोना, ऐसे भी हो सकता है समोना, ये भी हो सकता है. Fuck you, कमल, ऐसे नहीं होता मेरे वर्ड में. Go to hell. Fine. You will only change when you want to change. You will only choose and even listen. Even get it. Like Gary says, you get it when you get it. आप अपने आप को कितनी बार बोलते हो एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी ओके? क्या वो ओके हो जाती है? मीनिंग इट विल टर्न आउट द वे यू वांट इट.
अच्छा, सपोज मैंने आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बाय कर लिया, तो कहीं ना कहीं से तो वो आया ही है ना, कुछ तो इम्पैक्ट आ ही जाता है.
अब तो ये नहीं बोल रहे कि नहीं आया, हम बोल रहे हैं आया है. आपका अपना कुछ नहीं है. 98% इज नॉट योर्स. मैं तो कहा नहीं है कि वो आपका है, लेकिन अगर वो आप अवेयर हो गए हो कि ये आपसे काम नहीं कर रहा, तो आप कुछ भी करेंगे उसको चेंज करने के लिए. करेंगे कि नहीं?
हाँ जी.
आप यहाँ क्यों बैठे हैं?
तो वही तो आपने चेंज करने चेंज हो गई ना, हुआ ना,
हो गए चेंज. आप बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हो गए. मैं तो अभी तक नहीं चेंज हुई. मेरे को तो 10 साल हो गए, 11वां चल रहा है. मेरे को तो अभी भी कई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज हैं जो पता नहीं कितने जन्मांतरों से भरे हुए हैं, कूट कूट के वो फिर एकदम उठ के आ जाते हैं, ऐसे जैसे कोई वो ड्रैगन उठ के आ जाता है.
Simone, because you are choosing to change, that is why you are changing. That is why you are here.
Exactly.
And that is why Kamal can talk to you and choose you. I mean, make you this thing to...
No, I don't make anybody anything. I'm just telling you, it's your choice to choose it or not.
Okay.
You will only choose to change if you want to. That's why you are here, because you heard somebody tell you कि access में ये चीजें change हो जाएंगी, तो आप आ गए यहाँ पे इतने पैसे खर्च करके.
Okay, in that way.
Sorry.
मैंने उस तरह से change in that.
किस तरह और कौन सा change होता है? Change तो choice है. नहीं तो हम वही करते रहते हैं. हमारे लिए काम कर रहा है वो, हम वही करते रहते हैं. और हम अपने आप को बोलते हैं हम चेंज ही नहीं कर सकते. तो नहीं कर सकते, तथास्तु. The day you decide that this has to change, maybe not cognitively, maybe just energetically, कि ये अब मेरे से नहीं होगा, ये तो आज से नहीं करूंगी, that is the time you will get the possibilities showing up in your world, and then you can pick and choose which one you want, and then you will change it if you would desire to change it. You'll get it when you get it. Okay, girls, anybody else? Any other question anybody has? Maybe it will turn around in your favor before we close this class. So what is trust to you, the ones who came later? What is trust to you guys? What do you mean? What comes
Can I
up?
say?
Yes, please, Manisha.
Recently जब मैं बीमार थी तो मुझे पूरा भरोसा था कि मेरा हस्बैंड और मेरी डॉटर they will take care of me. They will give me medicine. They will feed me. They will take me to doctor. Is it trust?
Is because you know they will do it. That you trust them because they will do it, because they've always done it, because they are like that, they are caring and kind. Somebody who will not take care of you and usko bolo ki हाँ ये मेरा आज care करेगा, that is not trust. Trust is knowing that these people will do what I want them to do, or they're always like this.
Okay, thank you.
How things will turn out the way we want to is what trust is. Not because we want them, just because we know that it will show up like that.
Kapil, can I ask something?
Yes, please.
So this is coming again and again in my head when we were discussing with Simona, that we always say, trust your children.
So trust your children is when you tell somebody, ऐसे करो, वैसे करो, are you trusting them?
Yes, keep करेंगे. Maybe not always, but you just give them.
No. Listen to the question. When you tell them, पढ़ो, बैठ के अब पढ़ो. It would be foolish to tell them to study one thing, knowing that they will not. Second, you are not trusting them. That is why you're telling them. आपको बार बार कोई बोलता है, even let's take COVID, आपको लोग फोन करके बोलते रहते हैं, बाहर मत जाओ, ऐसे मत करो, वैसे मत करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? आपको लगता है क्या मेरे को अकल नहीं है?
Yes.
So when you're saying something to somebody, you're already not trusting them. You think आपको समझाने की जरूरत है. Honoring is honoring them. When you tell children, don't tell children to study, you're honoring them to know that they know. You have empowered them to know that they know when to do what. In every intimate relationship, you require to be in allowance of whatever choices they are making. You have to honor for whatever choices they are making. You have to be vulnerable, open, not having an agenda, not pre-deciding what you are supposed to tell them. And you have to be in gratitude for who they are, no matter how crazy they are, how stupid they are, how weird they are, how unintelligent according to you they are intelligent. So these 5 elements are required for any relationship with your husband, with your maids, with your children, with everybody. So ask. When you are confused or when you doubt, ask, am I being all the 5 elements? Okay, if I need to be something else, would you let me know, please? So consider the relationship between honoring and kindness. Is it ever honoring to someone not to be kind to them? How often are people kind to each other? Are you kind to yourself when you tell you are wrong? Are you kind to your children when you tell them you're wrong, you don't know how to do this, you should be doing it like this? Or are you trusting them? Are you in allowance of what they are choosing? Are you grateful for them?
The moment right and wrong will go away, everything will be fine.
How is it going to go away? How is it going to go away? Have you showed them the way? Do they know how to go away? How are they going to go away?
Going to go away from our head.
बात नहीं करूंगी, मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी हूं, पढ़ते नहीं हो तुम, चले जाओ मेरी नजरों से सामने से, पढ़ना नहीं पढ़ना, चने बेचोगे. Is that kindness? Is that honoring of that person? Would it or could it ever create a relationship that you want to create with that person in future? Is that kindness?
Thank you, Pawan. Thank you.
So how can you be kind to people? What is the barometer? Is that person leaving you with a feeling of being empowered and feeling greater and better? Or that person is diminished, feeling low, wrong? Did that question leave more space for you, expansion in your relationship with that person? Or did it make less? मैं इसको बता दूं, इसको समझ में नहीं आती, मैं बता दूं. It's going to create contraction. And having said that, there might be one time when you're functioning from awareness, there might be one time when you, one veggie, one comment, अब जैसे गैरी कहता है, तुम तो नहीं कर सकोगे, अब वो तो, और तुम तो कभी नहीं कर सकोगे, isn't that energy of a different reality. And when he says, oh, forget it, you sit down, you won't be able to do it. Did that comment create expansion in that person's life? उसे मैं तो करके दिखाऊंगी.
जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी.
So be aware. That's why we say be conscious, be aware, and be present. You can't say यही एक लाइन रूल हो गया, ये हर जगह चलेगी. No. How aware are you? What's coming out of your mouth? What's going in your head? Even when it doesn't come out of your mouth, it goes in your head. It's getting created. Something is getting created. Is it making any sense, guys?
Yes, Kamal, yes.
And first of all, you create this relationship with yourself by having those 5 elements for yourself. हमने बड़ा सुना है, put yourself first. You should be on the top priority. कितनी बार करते हैं हम ये? Intimacy is a space where you have no judgment of yourself or of the person in front of you. You have total caring and total allowance and total honoring and total gratitude for that person. This reality doesn't understand that. हम बोलेंगे नहीं मैं माँ हूं, मैं बताऊंगी नहीं, बच्चों को कैसे पता लगेगा? लाइक सम मुन्ना वाज सेइंग, बच्चों को तो समझ ही नहीं होती, हमें बताना पड़ता है. Gary ने अभी, we were reading a book only yesterday, we read, Gary said, instead of telling my child, you can't do, or whatever, I tell them, is it working for you? Now you put a question in their head and now they will, out of necessity, see, is it working for them? And then they have more choice to choose from. But when I say don't do it, they have to do it. आप अपने आप को देखो, जब कोई कहता है ये नहीं करना, आपको नहीं करना चाहिए, बिल्कुल नहीं, तो ऐसे क्यों करती है? मैं बताती हूँ क्यों करती हूँ. Is that total caring and total kindness? Do you have the willingness to look into their universe, where they are coming from, whoever it may be, and have no point of view? हमारे तो पहले ही है ना, ये आया है, गुस्से चढ़ा, कैसे हम ये अब ये थोड़ा खुला है, अब इससे पूछ लो, ऐसे बात कर लो. We have all manipulations which don't really work. Look into their world and see what they require. And then willingness and then being willing to deliver that. Not अपनी सोच से ही कि we think caring is looking after people even if they don't want it. In the beginning, my sister-in-law first I got married, and little later my Nanad and Nanvaiya or their children came, and I thought, the world ki main to ab I have to prove to be the good bhabhi, और मैं तो स्टॉक कर दिया फ्रिज में, और खाने बड़े बड़े पहले ही बनू के रखे, ये वो, और खाने खिलाए, और even sold my gold ring because I didn't have the money to be that lavish. And what did I get? They went back to my father-in-law, said कि बेवकूफ है, इन्ने पैसे वेस्ट कर दिए, साडा सारा दा पेट खराब करता. Deliver what they're asking for. Be honest to yourself, for yourself, with yourself. Just willing to be there when somebody asks, not pile on them. Okay, guys, any more questions? Hello, hello, hello. Everybody's fried. Okay, bye. We are done.
Hi, Kamal.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, I just wanted, like, as you're saying, how you had an experience. When I have to convey some message, like maybe my mother-in-law, I suddenly get a heaviness. Nothing has happened, but there is heaviness in the heart. And it just suddenly comes.
वो कैसे हुआ आई?
I don't know, means maybe I just can't relate to that. Like,
you can't, honestly, truth?
Yeah, really. Means I don't know. Why am I getting that heaviness?
Tell me.
I just can't get it.
Nee. Because you have all the story of that mother-in-law. What story do you have of your mother-in-law?
Maybe they'll not appreciate it.
So you already pre-decided the task too. It has to be heavy.
Okay, but how do I uncreate that part? Like, okay, you said I
lower your barriers, pock and pod all the points of views you have about your mother-in-law. Energetically pull energy from her, give her a hug, and ask, is now the time to ask her this? You will get yes or no.
Honestly, don't have that relation.
Sorry?
We don't have that relation, as you're saying. We just speak only for the work purpose.
Tathastu.
Like me.
So you want to change, or you want to stay where you are?
No, I would love to change.
So you didn't listen to what I said. Those things might change.
Okay.
What did I say? Did you listen?
Yeah, speak to them, like, just give them a hug. Like I heard.
Oh, you're not giving them physical hug. What you are just.
Yeah, I realize. It was not physical. It was energetically pull energies from them.
So what would be different if if you had intimacy with her? Do you honor her? No.
No.
Are you grateful for her? No.
No.
Are you open, vulnerable with her? No. You honor her? Trust her? No. And how can you have all that? First, do you have that for yourself? Do you honor, trust, are vulnerable with you? Are you brutally honest?
I have started creating it. Now, gradually, I am on that path. I'll say that.
Yeah.
Listening to all of you all, it helps to get that kick. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, please. Every time you choose something, ask yourself, if I was choosing from being all these 5 elements, would I choose this? Any thought going in your head about your mother-in-law, about yourself, about somebody else, is that kindness to me? Would I choose that? What else is possible?
Okay.
How does it get any better than this? आप कहानी पढ़ते जा रहे हो वैसी और जितना मर्जी बोलते जाओ कि मैं आगे से intimate होंगी. Not possible. And also, when and where have I done that? Because anything that you judge, you already done and been.
Yeah, I have started doing that. I'm destroying and uncreate my relation with her.
Yeah,
I have started doing that. Yes.
Beautiful. That's one tool. Second tool is when and where have I done that? Third tool is if I was functioning from these asking questions, if I was functioning from these 5 tools of intimacy, would I make this choice? What choices do I have available to me that I have never chosen? Universe, can you hold my hand? Employ the universe to guide you in every now moment. Never run a story in your head. There are so many elements, so many
tools that you can use. Okay. Yeah, like
First you have to
honestly,
create
we
a-
are aware about the tool.
Sorry, first you have to create a greater relationship with yourself.
Which I have started
Maybe,
now. I can say gradually I'm taking steps.
then Rupal, maybe you wouldn't even need it. Once you have that
Okay,
relationship
yeah.
with yourself, you be the energy of change. You be the energy, you be the space, you be the expansion, you be the energy that people can perceive, then you probably wouldn't even have to do anything.
Agree, yes.
So don't run any stories in your head, please. Those are the worst things we can do to ourselves. They are not kind. Not kind at all.
It actually, since we have been training ourselves so much that it is taking a while to come out of it.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 40 plus.
I am 72. I haven't been able to do it yet. So you are lucky you came much before me.
Yeah, with God's grace, yes.
No, you're being in gratitude. You're choosing it. God is.
I have
God
chosen.
will do exactly what you do. अगर आप चोरी कर रहे हो और आप गुस्सा कर रहे हो और आप वो कहानियां क्रिएट कर रहे हो, वो और कहानियां आती जाएंगी. वो गॉड नहीं है. There is no God. There is energy. So it's not like somebody here said, I trust the God. Do you trust you? Because you are the God walking. This is an energetic universe. Everything is energy. What energy you be, you attract more of the same.
Yes, I agree to that. Gradually, I have realized whatever you said. Now, like as I have chosen all this and got, I'm like, I see a vast difference.
Yeah. So
this was one element, maybe I couldn't just connect to it. So today I just got a chance because I listened to you and I'm working. So today I just got a chance. I just popped up.
Thank you. And one more thing I'll add. Every time, even if a wee bit of aha moment you get, a situation or an event that is ease, joy, glory for you, acknowledge it and ask for more. Can I have more of that, please? Your acknowledging it and asking for more will show up. You are not acknowledging, oh, ye ho gaya, par wo nahi hua. Sorry, you'll stop the flow.
Agreed, yes.
Whether it is relationship, business, family, money, it is the level of intimacy with yourself that creates it. This is such a key for true change. So please ask yourself, am I being the intimate me? And what question would I be asking if I was? And will this work?
Yeah.
And intimacy is not with sex and copulation and intimate relationships. Intimacy is with you, starts with you, and then it overflows to everybody around you.
Makes a lot of sense. Thank you so much.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Happy walking.
Yeah.
Anybody else with any question? We still have time, guys. We still have 11 minutes. Or you're done. And intimacy is when you're present with yourself. When you're conscious and present, can you make a choice that will not work? Never. When you're conscious and present with the other person, can you blame that person? Never. Then it's all about caring, kindness, generosity, allowance, all the 5 elements put together. Because you being conscious and aware will not allow you to choose something that is not conscious and aware. That's not a conscious and aware choice. You will go beyond the insane choices that this reality makes, that we have learned. You will not make yourself wrong. You will be in question. You will be who you truly be. You will not try to fix things. You will just look at them the way they are and trust them, that this is how it is. And now what can I choose? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, any more questions? Hello? No more questions? Are we done?
I have a question, but you're gonna ask me to show you my face, and I don't want to do that.
Don't want to do that? Sorry, then no question.
Damn, man. Fine. I'll wait till next week.
You write down the question here.
Okay, I'll write it.
कुछ तो एफर्ट करो. इतनी अगली हो ना, इसलिए अपने आप को हाइड करो.
Well, actually, that's kind of how I feel because I put on a lot of weight recently. And now I'm feeling suffocated in my body. Why?
Oh, please don't show yourself.
I'm not. I'm like really embarrassed.
Yes, don't. We are all sitting here judging you. We have no other work but to judge Jazz, right, guys? Right, guys? We have come here to judge her only, no? So let her not.
It's challenging now, you have to show. Challenging now, please show.
No way. Then I will type my question. I already asked it now, but I'll type it.
What is your question? Hello? Okay, anybody else? She doesn't want to. Anybody else? Hello, 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 hello.
Hi.
I am feeling suffocated in my body, put on lot of weight. Good, Tatastu.
I'm asking who does it belong to, but I'm not getting any awareness.
Belongs to Jazz, who eats rasgullas and gulab jamuns whole
No,
day.
I stopped too. It's been 2 months. I have not eaten sweets.
So you do either this or that. You don't ask questions. Only question is, who does it belong to?
I did. That's what I do every day.
That's the only question you have. And also,
Then I
why are you making it wrong?
But this is not me.
Look, you look good when you're podgy, plumpy
No.
podgy.
No, my clothes don't fit me, and I'm just feeling very anxious these days.
Ask your body, would you like to fit into these clothes, or would you like more clothes? And if you would like, show me the money.
Well, I've been asking my body a lot of questions.
How can you use this to your advantage?
I don't see any advantage in this. I really don't.
You do. That's why you chose to become like that. What's right about that? We don't do anything that we don't like. We have some value in what we do.
I think so I can avoid social events because I have nothing to wear now.
Cool. Cool. That worked. That worked. You are you are so potent. You are so potent. You work this way.
This is world's best city to live.
If you don't mind, Gitu, can you please mute yourself, Gitu? Gitu, can you please mute
I'm so sorry. Sure.
So, hello.
Yeah, I'm such a magical being that I have created this.
Created where you are, and now you can be a magical being and uncreated, darling. It's that easy.
It's the old, the new, yeah.
So I can just say everywhere where I've chosen this point of view, basically to accumulate all this weight, I just destroy and uncreate, right?
Now that there is no conclusion in that, right?
Right.
In that question, there is no conclusion. Okay, body, would you like to be something different or you're like this? Okay, then fine. I'm okay with you. I love you the way you are, no matter what. Would you empower your body to show up the way it wants to be? It wants to be with no right and wrong and good and bad?
No.
No, you are a controlling bitch.
I am. I'm like, this is not me. I need to be slimmer.
Oh, sorry. What you need never get. Needy people don't get what they want. Only people who are in allowance and honoring of their body and an allowance of their body and then following what your body tells you. When you're picking body, please, sorry. Is it me who's created this or would you like to be like this? If I am the one who created this, then please, would you please guide me? And then when you pick up something to eat, it will tell you. It will be like, oh, no. And if you still pick it up, that's your choice. No right, no wrong.
I think that's what I need to work on because I have been picking so-called healthy food, but I haven't been asking just because it's labeled like healthy food.
Your body doesn't like healthy food. Honor your body.
I do miss all my sweets. Remember how much I used to eat and I never put on any weight. And now I've stopped eating sweets and now I've ballooned up.
Yeah, so your point of view creates your reality. Sweets make you fat. Tathastu. Why eat everything and nothing happens to me? Tathastu. What's going in your head, darling? What's going in your head and what's coming out of your mouth gets created right there, right now.
Oh my goodness.
You are the creator. Just ask, just be in communion with your body. Says, body, okay, I love you the way you are. And everywhere I don't, I'm doing my best. I'm not lying. I'm doing my. Are you doing your best?
Yes, I do gratitude exercises every night before I sleep.
And say, okay, let me guide me as to what you would like to eat. And then follow that. It wants to be fat or thin, no point of view.
Well, I did recently ask Body, what would you like to look like? Because I know you had been mentioning it too many times.
Only worked for me. Every day, just lower your barriers, destroy and uncreate all point of views, look at yourself in the mirror and say, Body, what would you like to look like? Who would you like to look like?
But when I see slim people on TV or whatever, I get orgasmic energy when I see them.
Would you? Then you ask, Body, you would like to look like that? Come on, show me that.
That's what I've been doing every day because I watch movies and as soon as I see.
But all the time, also on the other side, you are judging yourself. So you are one step forward and 2 steps backwards. It's not going to help. You do the clearings do the questions till the cows come home. But the tape, that story goes on in your head, erases it.
I got it.
It has to be simultaneously, always saying I love you. Body, I'm okay with it. And everywhere I'm not okay with it at the moment, and all the points of view that I have, I destroy and uncreate it all. Can you help me, please?
Well, I didn't think about being that kind, but I will.
Yeah. If you don't have an intimacy with yourself, oh, I need to be like that person. Oh, I need to be loved by this person. Oh, I need this.
Right.
I need them to care for me. I need them to see me like this. I need people to see me as valuable, as beautiful, as slim.
Yes.
When you have actually a level of intimacy with you, rather than being needy, now you can start to see the gift that you are. And you can start to see the gift that people are being to you, even the ones who are judging you. And the contribution they are being to you and you are being to them, which will create something greater. You don't even know what.
So even if they're judging you, you take that as a contribution. Like you ask yourself, what contribution is this to me?
Actually, if somebody says you are too moti ho rahi hai, and you go into eating more, and you go into saying, I'll show you, and are you being kind to yourself or to somebody else? Oh, really? They're looking at me like that. Okay, body. Really? Is she telling the truth? Or you want to change? Am I not listening? Everywhere I apologize. Now I'm in your hands, and let's come on, do what you would like to do. So let me know what you would like to look like, and if you want any help from me.
Oh my God, Kawal, I never thought of those questions ever, or speaking to my body like that.
Yeah, I speak to your body like your friend. It's your guide, it's your friend, it's your facilitator, it's the walkie-talkie, miraculous, phenomenal, magnanimous being. And you won't value that for what reason?
Buying into people's points of views.
I need them to treat me. And we say, I need them to treat me this way. Are you treating yourself this way?
No.
How is anybody else going to do it? When you do it, universe follows suit.
Recording.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome, darling.